had a really great time at the Community Festival today. It's really great to see all the different research that's going on across departments at the university.
Everyone's having a great time, enjoying the weather and enjoying all the talks we put on.
Cows, they're just like children, and like they play and they get bored and they like having friends.
In my lab, we're interested in understanding how pain works. So what we are doing today is ice challenge. Kids are enjoying it. Very often kids, they perform better than their parents. And we also have a microscope to show them how we look at the central nervous system.
So we got a live snake here. It's a non-venomous snake. It's a pet snake actually. So we are showing the snake and morphology, how it moves, how it can roam around. And then we are giving some awareness about snake bites and the snakes. People are really interested in our research. They're asking lots of questions, particularly children. They know a lot about snakes and venoms.
I run the Synthetic Media Research Network, and a big issue for us is deepfakes in video. So I'm showing people how that applies to the elections this year in the UK. So we're really alerting people to that phenomenon, and we're asking people to think really critically about the media that they're looking at.
It's the people, really, that have made this quite an interesting day.